Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I'm feeling 100% better today. So I guess I've been battling this weird cold and today's the day it broke, so I'm feeling like my old self. I went to 2 stores today to do some quick deals, including this meager haul over at Walgreens. It turned out perfectly. All of my digital coupons worked out wonderfully. And then I went over to Rite Aid and just did a couple quick deals too on one of my store cards, and I'll talk about that. And a weather report for you guys. It's a very nice one out there today, kind of like a warm sort of a day. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, so first store that we have is Walgreens, and I'm just gonna talk about what I did. I made a video this morning where I was talking about some last minute deals, and let's talk about the Unisom first off. There was an error in that video where I said it was like a 50-cent money maker, but it's actually a $2.53 money maker because this IVC in fact doubles, and I didn't account for that in the math. So my little mistake, apologies guys. It's not a really big error, it's just a bigger money maker for you guys. With the Unisom melts. Now, I could not find the melts at my store, but I did find these ones, which are just the regular pills. So to jog you through this deal, if you can't find the melts, or if you live in a very heavily couponed area, these guys are on a buy one, get one 50% off. So the first one is $10.99. Second one is $5.49 for a total of $16.48. I got the cashier to scan the IVC right here, or you can load it digitally. It is your choice. $4 comes off. And I had a digital $4 off coupon along with the digital $2 off coupon. So after all of that magic, guys, I had to pay $6.48 out of pocket. I used Walgreens cash, and then IBOTTA is giving back $3 for each, so I got $6 back from IBOTTA. So 48 cents for 2 of these. I will pay that all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. That is a killer price for these Unisom sleeping pills. The next little deal that I did is with the Crest Pro Health Complete Protection. This guy is $4.99. We have a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $2.99. You can use Walgreens cash if you wish, and you will get back $3 back from IBOTTA, making this guy completely for free. Now, as I said in my morning video, if you might have those $2 coupons from the May P&G, you could potentially score 2 of these for free. Unfortunately, I don't have those inserts yet, so I couldn't do that deal, but I was happy to get one with digital coupons. Hey guys, so I did 2 other deals that I just thought were really worthy and just really good little deals this week. So the first one is the soft soap. You can either get the soft soap or the Irish Spring. I went with the Lady Soft Soap. These guys are 3 for $10. We have a 3 off of 2 digital along with a 75-cent digital. So you would pay $6.25 out of pocket, get back $5 of Walgreens cash as the weekly promotion for this deal, making it $1.25 for the 3 or 41 cents per body wash. That is a killer price point. And I'll pay that all day, every day. It's just a really great price point. And you can use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this. So what a great little deal. I also got 2 of these Colgate toothpaste. They're $3.99 a pop. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that showed up on Sunday. You have to pay $4.98 out of pocket, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, essentially making it for free. And yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay this down and to earn it. And I And I, in fact, used it to pay for this whole transaction. And I think I used 20 bucks in Walgreens cash, and I got back $10. 5 for this, 5 for this, and then I got 9 back for this. So after everything is said and done, I think this was like $1.70 for these 8 products. I made it like 21 cents each. I mean, that's just a killer deal over at Walgreens, and I'll do that every day of the week. It's just such a fantastic deal. So loving this. What an amazing haul. And who knows, maybe Thursday is the day I should go couponing, because everything was like perfect. Every digital coupon worked beautifully for me, and so delighted with this today. The last store that we have is Rite Aid, and I did a couple weekly deals. Shout out to Ravi. He posted a lot of this in his videos this week, so I just copied a lot of his deals. Hopefully he doesn't mind. So the first little thing I want to talk about is the 9 Element. So in the last couple of weeks, we have been hauling this product, and they have some sort of promotion. Buy 20, get back $5 in Rite Aid bonus cash. So that is valid until May the 29th. So I had like $11.90 tracking on this one store card. So I was short by just a couple. So what I did was I grabbed this guy for $4.79 and this guy for $3.99. We have a $3 digital for this and a $2 digital for this. So I ended up paying $3.78. I just rolled some bonus cash, guys, and I got back $5 in bonus cash. So that was totally worth it to grab these two, making those digital coupons work for me. Very pleased with it. Subsequently, this is okay. This smells like you're putting vinegar all over your bathroom. I'm not about that, but this, not bad. The eucalyptus one, I will agree with Super Simple Savor. It smells really weird. I don't like it, but the lemon one is not bad. So a little weekly deal that's quite fantastic are with these specific Aqua Fresh toothpaste. They're on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. The first one is $2.49. The second one is $1.24. So for the two, that's $3.73. I used some bonus cash to pay that down, and then I got back 5 more for buying these two. And I think the limit for this is 2 per card. Unfortunately, I could only find 2 in my store, but I'm very happy to get 2 free toothpastes. Really the deal of the week. It is to buy 3 of the Conair or Scunsy products, get back $10 in bonus cash. Now I do have a gold discount on my store card, making these $3.43. So I got this bun maker, $3.43, and then these different hair ties by Scunsy for $3.43. So I grabbed 6 products altogether, guys, 4 hair ties and 2 bun makers. That's a total of $20.58. I rolled my bonus cash, and then I got back $20 in bonus cash, making it 58 cents for all 6. And yes, I have maxed out on this deal, but like how wonderful is that? Like free hair care. It's such a great offer. And it has to be products that are $4.29 and tagged in the store. That's what Ravi was saying, and I'm just really happy to get 6. So I have a different store card. I will definitely be going back to get a couple more. Thing I found at checkout, and it's just for kids, and I thought maybe my niece might enjoy it. It's just a foam calculator, and I don't know, it just spoke to me. I guess the couponer inside of me, I'm like, that my niece is gonna have to learn how to coupon one day, and this might be the first thing to teach her, you know, how to use a calculator. I just thought it was super cute. 25 cents, you can't beat it. And it's by this company. It's in the dollar spot over at Rite Aid, and I think lots of this stuff was on clearance. And I haven't been in the store all week, so I just found the last couple of scraps, including this little foam puzzle, which I thought was super, super cute. So I think altogether at Rite Aid, guys, I spent like $30.48, tax included, for all of this stuff after coupons. And I think I got back $30. I got back 20 for this, 5 for this, 5 for this. So that was a really cool haul today. Yeah, that was Rite Aid. Very delighted with it. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.